Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Today is my first day at work. I was informed to check in here.
May I have your name, please?
Wilson. Brian Wilson.
Thank you, Wilson. Please have a seat. Your manager will be here shortly.
Hi, Wilson. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How are you feeling on your first day?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great, thanks. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous, but mostly excited to hit the ground running.
That's perfectly normal. Don't worry, I'll make sure you settle in smoothly. Let me walk you through the office so you can get comfortable.
Sounds great. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. By the way, after the tour, I'll introduce you to our team and show you where you'll be sitting. All right, Wilson, let's start the tour. First stop, this is the accounting department. They handle all the numbers, payroll, invoices, and budgets.
Got it. I'll make sure to stay on their good side.
Good idea. Next up, here's the HR department. You've already met them during the hiring process. They'll also support you with onboarding and training.
Perfect. I'll probably need to pop in often.
Over here, we have the executive offices. That's the director's office on the left and the deputy director's office on the right.
Wow, looks impressive.
Now let me show you some common areas. This is the pantry where people usually grab a bite or have lunch.
Nice. I'll definitely keep an eye on the coffee machine.
And right next to it is the nap room. People sometimes take a quick break there after lunch.
That sounds great. A quick nap can really recharge your batteries.
Exactly. Finally, this is the IT department. They're the go-to people if you ever run into technical issues. Computers, software, internet, you name it.
Good to know. I'll try not to bug them too much, just in case.
Don't worry, they're very supportive. All right, let's head over to meet our teammates now.
Hit the ground running. To start a new activity or job with a lot of energy and enthusiasm, being effective immediately. Example, she hit the ground running on her first day at the office, finishing all her tasks ahead of time. Settle in. To become comfortable and feel at home in a new place, job, or situation. Example, it usually takes new employees a few weeks to settle in. Walk you through. To explain something step by step in a clear and detailed way. Example, the trainer will walk you through the onboarding procedures this afternoon. Stay on one's good side. To keep a good relationship with someone so they treat you kindly. Example, if you want things to go smoothly, it's best to stay on your boss's good side. Pop in to visit a place quickly or without prior notice. Example, I just popped in to say hello before heading to my meeting. Grab a bite. To get something to eat, usually quickly or informally. Example, let's grab a bite before the afternoon training session starts. Recharge your batteries. To rest and relax so that you have more energy afterward. Example, a short nap can help you recharge your batteries for the rest of the day. Go to someone, something, or even a place that is regularly relied upon or often chosen in a particular situation. Example, she's the go-to person whenever we have technical issues. That small restaurant is my go-to spot for lunch. Bug, to annoy, bother, or disturb someone. Example, sorry to bug you, but could you help me with this report? Head over to go to a place, often casually or informally. Example, after lunch, we'll head over to the training room. And that's the end of today's lesson. Thanks for watching today's sample dialogue, First Day at Work. Starting a new job can feel a little scary, but remember, a friendly smile, a polite greeting, and asking questions will help you settle in quickly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next English office conversation.